Hey guys, it's your boy A Surfer. Cruising down at the pond today. And that duck is tripping me out, guys. Dang. Wow. That is amazing. This pond is cool, guys, because it connects to the ocean. So some other predatory ocean fish, certain ones, they'll come all the way into this pond. It's like freshwater, way this deep, but there's something big in there. There's some mullets in there. Some good sized mullets. But they'll come in and you can catch them. Like the ocean fish will come into this pond. Mostly the trevally. That's what they call them up on the mainland, trevally. Here we call them pupillos or uluas. The juveniles they call pupillos, and the ones 10 pounds and up they call uluas. And that's like highly sought after fish by the fishermen. We got some mullets, good eating right there. See them right there. Good eating fish. Super hard to catch on a pole though. Come down, check them out real quick. That duck sounds like a person, I swear. So when we were kids, these banyan trees, they had these vines like this. And you can swing on them when you're kids. You probably still can now, but I won't try. Let's enjoy some ambience, guys. Chill here for a second. Duckies came to say hello. Hey, Ducky. Shout out to Lucky Ducky. Yeah, let's go, guys. Beautiful day. Hey, they got some snow on the mountain today. You guys ever saw snow? You can barely see it, it's covered, but that's the tip of the mountain up there. And there's snow, that white, you see a light white dot, there's snow up there. We do have snow here, guys. For those of you that know where I live, you know, we do get snow here. This duck is just cruising. See, they don't hunt ducks here like they hunt on the mainland. And I think they hunt those kind with the greenheads. And I swear there's a couple down here that's monsters. They look like turkeys, they're so big. a beautiful, beautiful area. I love coming down here. I love these trees too. Some patties right there. Patties. There's the Afropunk one. You see the snow better now from this angle. You see just the tip of the mountain right there? Yeah, there's snow on it. You can see the white snow. Sometimes it gets like snow capped. There's just a few patches, but we do get snow here. And there's no turtles in the fresh water here. Julie Farnham. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you all. Have a good day. Let's go mess with the ducks real quick. I think this one is a Canadian. I think this is a Canadian goose right here. This one. I'm tripping. Tell me, guys, if anyone's still here, tell me. Is that a Canadian goose right there? Because I'm pretty sure it is a Canadian goose, but if it is, that's crazy how far they flew all the way down here from Canada. So all my Canada peeps, you can fly down too. What is that? Is that a Canadian geese, guys? Tell me, please.